Welcome to JB Microscope, Zoom Stereo Microscope, model number PL-45. Adopting Greenough optical system JBM PL-45 with 3D image viewing with high level flatness and depth focusing. Electronic components in PCB board with significant depth can be brought into focus from top to bottom for faster and accurate inspection of an industrial field. Exceptional form and functions. Microscope eyepiece, optical magnification, auxiliary objective. Microscope eyepiece. Superior optical coatings on eyepiece with true color images with fine detail. Adjustable eyepiece. Eyepiece optical magnification 10x. Eyepiece size for eye tube diameter 30 mm. Eyepiece field of view diameter 22 mm. Auxiliary objective 0.5x by 177 mm, 0.7x by 120 mm, 1.5x by 47 mm. Viewing head 45-degree inclined trinocular head with fixed eyepiece tube. Interpupillary range 52 mm to 76 mm with click stop and interlock mechanism. Main objective zoom objective 0.67x to 4.5x. Working distance 110 mm. New designed optical path and click stop function. Make it more precision. Stand, arm stand with fixed focus holder pillar stand. Can be equipped with different focus holders base. Optional ESD safety. JBM PL-45 series microscopes feature a specialized ESD safe coating, protecting sensitive components from electrostatic discharges.